here the cows. These are the cows, and these are the wait. These are the. Let me see the spawn egg of them. These are the mushroom. These are the mushroom cows. Here are. Look what I did. Now I did 2 fences, 2 doors. Here you see this is the way that you climb up to the next floor. It is the last floor. Oh no, this is the thunderstorm. Sorry for the thunderstorm. Now I walked here. See? How does it look? It looks good, I think. Now we will close the door and we will do, I did here. See? I will still record. You might like it. See? It's a decoration. I liked it. So it come to my mind. I did it. Let's do. Yeah. Ooh. Here are many fences. We need to break them so we can buy the grass block. Its name is grass block. How did you like it? Wow, so good, I think. Yes, it is good. Now we will buy the thing. This is it. We will remove these. Oh my god. Remove these. Now we don't need to put these grass blocks. We put the construction here. This. See, how does it look? I think good, you will say. Let's buy the water. Oh, its color is not like this. No problem, because it is like this. Oh, I fit it in. We don't need to fit in because this is for the horses. Now I do horses. You will like it very much. I will bought many horses, so I will count how many conditions. How many I bought the cauldron, how many of it. So I can now how many will I bought horses. Here 1, 2, 3, then we move like this, and here good. I was only seeing the size, so it would be good. It would be perfect. Or perfect. I will think what the horses eat. I think they eat the grass. I'm gonna see the chickens. Here's the chickens. I think the chickens. Yes, the chickens are good. Now I'm gonna put the chickens. We remove the water bucket. We all put it here. I need another star because I will always put in. We need chicken, horses, cow, mush the cows, or these cows. I forget their names. The cows that are special. How did you like the song? It's so funny and good at the same time. Chicken, cow, horse, small mushroom. So funny. I will see where would the horses be. Octot, I don't need octot, not wolf. Sheep I needed because I didn't do sheep, and then I would do sheep. Donkey, yes, horse. I found it, horse. Now we will put 1 chicken, 2 chicken, 3 chicken, 4 chicken, 5 chicken, 6 chicken, 7 chicken, 8 chicken, 9 chicken, 10 chicken. 11 chicken, 12 chicken, 13 chicken, 14 chicken, 15 chicken, 16 chicken, 17 chicken, 18 chicken, 19 chicken, 20 chicken, 21 chicken, 22 chicken, 23 chicken, 24 chicken, 25 chicken, 26 chicken, 27 chicken, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Oh my god. No. Not the, ah. Okay, it can move from here. Yay, chicken, 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 chicken. Now we will go to the horses. I hope the chickens won't go, because the chickens are there. That was no. I can't stop from flying. Something can't happen. 1, 2. I am not gonna break this anymore. Where do I go? No. Pet. Chicken! Can you move? Move! No. Thank you. Go chicken. You no run. You no run. Yes. Now they didn't run. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11. Okay. Now I bought 11. I wanted here 13 or 32 chickens. Now I bought, I don't know. Not the BC is running it now. Close. Now the BC is not loud. Sorry for that. How many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11, I forget. 11. Oh my god. 1. Oh, hello. 2. Hello, Mr. Horse. 3.